Dino Buddies, the Dino Band, Episode 3, Different Sounds. The mice dived into their hole.
They don't like our music,
Tor said. Sarah nodded.
Let's go somewhere else.
Sarah, Sid, and Tor walked around. Sarah shook her seed pods. Tor played her flute. And Sid slapped his tail. Sid slapped a big log. Badoom! Badoom! The log made a hollow sound.
Cool sound,
Sarah said. Rattle, rattle, tweet, badoom! Lizards jumped out of the log. They ran away. Sid felt bad about scaring them. Sorry, he yelled. But the lizards were gone. The buddies walked some more. Soon, they found Rex. Rex was still making his tower. Hi, Rex, Sid said. We're making music. Sid swung his tail at things. He made different sounds. Sid hit rocks, trees, and bushes. And then... wham! He hit Rex's tower. Crash!